Good morning. Today we are going to a nice garden center. Our neighbor said it is not too expensive there, so let's have a look. Yes, this is the way to go to Broughton, and maybe it takes how many minutes? 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes.
I think.
He thinks. Alright, traffic light on. It's quite a nice area, this place. I have to get the plate number. Maybe not allowed that. It's very cloudy today and very cold. My husband is shivering in cold, and we have the temperature here 20.5, but it's in low.
22.5 now.
Yeah. This is a new Lidl going to open soon, and I hope we will do shopping here. There you go. It's nearly done.
No, nothing inside yet. Look, it's still empty
Yeah,
inside.
maybe a week or two on my holiday will be open. Traffic light. Not so many cars today. It's Friday. Most of the people are working, and maybe these cars are people who are on holiday going to pick up their children or something else. Nice trees over. This is the car garage. My husband saw that orange car. He likes it, but he has no money yet to buy it, so it will take a while to buy that car. We'll hope and see. That's not the end of the world if we don't get it. By the way, we are passing through the British Steelwork. If you can see that building, that is part of the British Steelwork. That is very massive area. It starts from there and ends up there. I don't know how many kilometers, but it's massive, huge. If you go in one entrance, you will get lost if you don't know where you're going, because my husband said it's like 3 or 4 kilometers length and wide. Imagine that. Anyway, so we are going to Broughton, where the garden place is, and hoping to buy
How's that? Applebee.
where? Applebee?
Applebee, yeah.
And we're hoping to buy some cabbage or cauliflower plants to plant in my raised bed that he made. My husband made. He loves doing things, so okay, let's plant something. Yep. Okay, see you guys in the garden center. So here we are in the garden center. We are going to park. There you go. We're going to get out of the car and see what's inside to see. Oh, loads of pumpkins. Loads of pots. Wow, mask. Ha!
You got yours?
Get the mask. We are not allowed to go in without mask, so we have to wear a mask. There is something else there Let's go and see. Wonder what's in the box. Ten bundles. Ah, this could be corn flour. Ah, loads and loads of pumpkins. There's a massive one there. And there is a giant one. Wonder how much this one. No price. Okay.
Where's your half, Murphy?
In here. Yeah, it's pumpkin season now. They use it in the Halloween. Put outside the door. Halloween here is different. They have different culture. Look at these massive pots. Huh. Very nice. How much? 29 pounds for this. It's made of concrete. Most of them are made of concrete. Oh, you can't move it. Look. Oh, how much that one?
Oh, what's that one?
Look at this. One kind of pot also. What you will plant in here. They have nice things. Look at those. Massive. They're quite nice. I don't know how they mold these big pots. Wonder how much the price of this. Massive one. This one is 49 pounds. My God. Yeah, I have seen that. This is the massive one. Huge. It's made of plastic or concrete?
Concrete or some sort. Some
So
kind
plastic.
of resin, I reckon.
Bakelite.
Resin.
Yeah. You have a nice selections of pots. Look how cool. And they have also things inside. Pots price, half all mark of price. They are heavy. Gosh. Massive. Morning.
Alright.
We have to keep distance between each other because that's the rules. Look at the different shape of pots. It's like banga in the Philippines. Look. And they have different colors as well. Alright. Oh, this just arrived. Wonder who's making these pots. Very big. These pots are for big houses. No place in our house because our house is small. Yeah. And this and that. Until there. Oh, big pots. These are the selection of plants. Tinacitum. What's the kind of tinacitum? Tinacitum. 1 pound. Good morning. These are lupin. Reduced price. 1 pound. But I have 2 or 5 in my garden. And these are pansies. Look, I also bought pansies before. How much? No price. All pansies, no flowers yet. Ah, it's 250. per tray. And these are, what do you call it? Primula Husky, $5.99. Good. And these are no name. This Kaluna, 10 pounds a tray. Looks nice. Primula. And this is a combination of different colors of chrysanthemum. They put in a pot. And how much? $2.99. I think I will buy one later. Look, very beautiful. And these are lavender, lavandula, $6.99 per thing. I'm not doing advert here. I'm just showing you the plants, different kind of plants. And they are bay leaves. Ito yung laurel na ginagamit sa adobo. Yan, magkano yun? How much? Hindi ko makita ang price niya. But I have at home, so I will not buy one. This one. This one is a nice plant, but they are invasive. Pag tinanim nyo itong ganitong kalaki, pag hindi nyo trim, ma-occupy niya lahat garden. So, I think better to put in the pot. Is also trailing pansies. Ito yung lumalabag or sa hanging basket. Maganda siya. Ito maganda rin, para siyang eucalyptus, Loris nobilis. Ganda rin siya. Nice. There, so many. I will show you this unique plant here. This is very, very thorny. Agave Gentre. I will not have one. Dangerous. Look at the chrysanthemum over there. Yeah, succulent. Look at this. It's nice. $19.99. Very nice. This one is Halabarus. My friend gave me this and died. I think I will buy one today as well and replace the one that died. There's a lot of plants here. This is also one of Halabarus stained glass. Maganda rin siya. Winter siya, bumubulaklak. Pero wala pa siyang bulaklak dito. Yeah. And this one, we have one like this in the pond. I don't know, it's a pond plant. $1.99. Ito naman what's this? Azalea japonica. Yan. Indoor, outdoor plants, most of them. Yeah. Oh, it's lovely. It's also a kind of Halaborus. Ladybird. Can you see ladybird? Yeah. Lovely plants. This one is called rhododendron. when we walked to the woods, we saw a lot of these, and they multiply, and their flowering season is between January to February, but starting to bloom now. Look, they spread and they grow like a tree, big tree. So I will not have one because we don't have a big garden. Maybe you can trim them, but I'm not so sure about this. It's 20 pounds, so I'm not had one, a bit expensive for me. And look at those pots again, so many pots. It's a nice garden center though, different from where we bought our roses. I have plenty of selection. I don't know what's this, but it looks like a wild flower. Achillea, Antia, herbaceous, perennial. Oh, ang ganda ng bulaklak niya. Alright, so these are the small plants. Alpine, Aster Violet. Meron siyang anong tawag dito? Alpinus Violet, Aster. Yan. Oh, ito rin maganda. May little cherries. Ano kaya ang tawag dito? $2.99. Look nice. No name. Hindi ko alam name. And also, ito yung nakita ko sa Gardener's World. Ito yung African plants. Popsicle cream sickle. $7.99. Ganda siya. Ang dami nilang selection. And this is another variety, banana popsicle. Bah, there's a lot. There's also bamboo there. I think it's dwarf. It says bamboo. There's a panda in the, and also I know this one, handy perennial. This is Echinacea Prairie Splendor. Maganda po siya, parang zinnia, but I'm not a fan of it. They the bees loves them, but Mercy doesn't love them. I don't know. We have different taste, so it's not my cup of tea. Yeah, this is also nice. This is Achillea New Vintage Violet, $3.99. Ang dami nilang selection. Value for money, mura. Ito naman ay bluebells. I think yes, it's ornamental glasses, Lirio money maker. Looks like bluebells. Don't have money maker. Alright. Yan pa. Ano ito? Mga pulang ito. Herbaceous perennial. Hautia mix. Okay, guys. We go inside. Most of the succulent plants are stored here in the greenhouse. If you look at them, it's like aloe vera. This one is aloe tiki. It's a family of aloe vera. All aloe vera family. Look at this. Looks like a snake. But it's nice, but I will not buy it. And this also a very nice one. And look at the flower. It's cactus mainly. Family of cactus. They don't like too much water. And this also, I've seen this in my sister's house. They have nice flowers that very thorny. And if you look at the other side, they're also growing there a lot. And here, look, cactus. They are easy to multiply, easy to plant, don't need a lot of care. Just leave them water maybe once a month or once a week. I'm not so sure, but they don't like water a lot. It's very nice plants. Am I allowed to do this?
Oh, I've never thought about it before.
So we bought some plants at the end. My husband bought 6 kind of, what do you call it?
I don't know.
Horticolor.
Horticulturals or something.
And I bought 1 hellebores to replace my friend plant. Which, okay, so we're going home now, and I'll show you the plant that we bought later. So we bought 6 pieces of this Hecucera mulberry. It cost us 30 quid, but is on sale for buy 2 for 10 pounds, and we bought 6 pieces of different colors. Look, they said it will grow nicely when you planted it in the pot. And this one is another color, maroon color, and also this one and that one and that one, plus my hellebores. Yeah, it's 6 pounds, $5.99, and it has already some flowers, and more flowers will come in the winter. All right, so just a quick view of the garden. Yeah, and thank you.